This is Dixie Silver Girl here live in the shop with Dixie Silver Miner. We thought we'd show you another side of the shop. Normally we're showing you all the fun and the fire. So tonight we're going to show you a mail call. We got some supplies and things in that we need to keep working.
Expensive mail call.
It is an expensive mail call. I wish Crucibles had a much better resale value. And sand.
Oh, courtesy PMC Supplies today.
Yes, it is a full mail call from PMC Supplies.
Excellent company to deal with.
Dave has been very, very helpful over there.
Peanuts, Dave.
Hey, the packing department does what it has to.
Jeweler shot. 2 pounds.
2 pounds of shot. Jeweler's shot. This is a replacement crucible for our workhorse furnace. And I had no idea when we started this how many crucibles it would take.
Right?
You need different crucibles for each metal. You can only use the crucibles so long because if they wear, they're going to go on you.
That looks like a jewel, alright, you know?
That is very pretty. That one looks shinier than normal.
They always do.
Do they?
Yep.
Now you got to season it and get it ready.
Yep. Burn the hell out of it.
And now the next most expensive thing after crucibles will be the sand.
Dirt.
Dirt. We pay a lot of money for graphite and dirt. Both of which make it possible to do what he does.
Oh, guys. We get a box of dirt.
Oh my. That's not the same bag that the 10 comes in.
Nope. We get tired of buying 10s, so we bought the 20.
But that bag is not as heavy, the same as...
You see that?
Step on over here. 20 pounds of Vetrabond clay. I know the mailman was laughing at me. He said he skipped the gym.
Yeah, right? You like that in your bag all day.
Stop.
All right.
And now here we are with the most exciting piece of the evening. Our tabletop furnace that we purchased from PMC just before the holidays. That the crucible went in it after about 6 hours of use. We'd had it less than 10 days when that happened. They were excellent. They sent us a label and we shipped it out. It's been about a month and it just arrived back today. They said they got it all fixed up, they replaced everything, and ideally our silver is in there also. They definitely wrapped it well.
Yes, they did.
I am going to keep that box and all of that wrapping. How's it look?
It's good. New cord.
Well, new everything inside.
Fan. The thermostat looks to be different than the original. Dropped or something.
Well, it got shipped all the way to the...
No, it was packaging place. You have to straighten that out because it's not going to sit flat.
How's the Crucible look?
Looking now.
Hmm?
Looking now. See anything?
But I don't see our silver or the other Crucible they were sending.
Yep.
Oh, there's the silver.
That shit gonna cost more to clean than it's worth.
That is what fried it.
Anybody want to clean some silver?
That will be going over to the
DM
local
me.
assayer that we use to get cleaned.
The other Crucible, I'm sure that's what he's talking about, is the one he sent in the furnace.
Yeah, he told me there was going to be two. Well, look at that. He poured the shape of the furnace. Interesting.
Shit.
Alright. You gonna plug it in?
Should be fine. I want to run it on that circuit. And I got to take it outside to burn it off. It says it's got all new heaters.
Excellent. Well,
It turned on. He did what he said he would do. Just see how it works. It should be alright. See why not?
and I guess that is our mail call update for the evening. We'll be back here later. Have a good night.